Okay, good morning students. Once again this is Umesh Yadav welcoming you all of on the behalf of Team Prince Taranagar. We have begun topic tense before 2 days. So in the same reference I am just going to repeat and manage the other topic including the tense, that is present continuous. I taught you present indefinite and today I am teaching you present continuous. So please present continuous. First of all we must know how can we manage the present continuous. In this tense 3 verbs are used: is, am and are. Now we have to know which kind of verb should we use in which category. Like such we are taking the verb is. Is the basic form of verb be. Be is the basic verb. So is, am, are comes out from the we. We is being used with the subject whenever subject is singular, like he, she, it. Proper noun, because proper nouns are always in singular form, and singular common noun. Singular common noun. Is verb is used as a linking verb to use to make the relationship between a subject and an object. Like we can say Ram is a boy. Here you can say Ram is noun and boy is second noun. What is a noun? Noun may work as a subject or as well as object. But you are looking here, Ram is proper noun, but on the other hand, boy is a common noun, singular common noun. So here the verb is functioning as a linking verb because it is making the relationship between noun to noun, subject to object. In the second form, it can be used as, suppose that if I say Ram is reading his book. It means the work is going on, the work is continuing. So but the work is on progress. To making the supposition for progression work, we always use is with the with ing form in the verb. So Ram is reading his book. Once again, how can we use the is? It can be used also with the third form of verb. Like we can say his book is being read by Ram. So students, you have to know what are the property of these verbs, because each and every word has its own property. So each has also its own property. What are these properties? Number one property is that it works as a linking verb to join, to make the relationship between noun to noun, pronoun to pronoun and noun to pronoun. Anyone can else, as I say, he is a doctor, she is a doctor, she is a nurse. And second, it is used to as a momentary form. Momentary form, I am reading, I am working, I am running, you are running, you are laughing, you are playing cricket, students are playing cricket, students are crying. So these are momentary form, and more than it can be used also in a passive form. As I say, I teach English, English is taught. Is taught means is coming and taught is coming as a third form. So is can be used in the 3 level. Number 1 as a linking verb which join or make a relationship between noun to noun. Second is in progressive sentence like a continuous, as I told you, I am running, he is running, she is running. Okay, and more in passive form. So just we are taking, actually we have started the topic present continuous. So whatever I have explained, it is all about to know about the some basic form, the quality and possibility which can be used with the other parts of speech or parts of words. Now just we are taking, just I say he is going to he is going his school. This is the affirmative sentence. It is the affirmative sentence. Now we need to change this sentence into negative. So it should be done, we can say also he is not going to his school. Okay, this is the affirmative sentence and it is the negative. Putting not after the is, am and are, it become negative. And when we put the is in the first of the sentence, then it becomes interrogative. Is he going to his school? Student, you must know, is he going to his school? We are asking a question, is he going to school? It is not correct till we put a interrogative mark in the last of the sentence. And after we can use also interrogative negative like, is he not going to school? Is he not going to school? Not is an adverb and it always comes on the third position in a sentence. But also in contract form we can use, isn't he going to school? Isn't he going to school? Once again by using the WH word family. Like we can say, when is he going to his school? Adverb of time. And also we can also say, when is he not going to his school? So in English language, 6 kinds of sentences are being supposed by using any kind of verb. Basically in English there are 27 verbs. In the next video lecture I will teach you how these verbs work and function with us. Please share this, subscribe this